Hello student, welcome to my class. Today the topic is adverb and adjectives. In my topic today I will continue for chapter 7 and chapter 8. So before proceeding, let us know about adverbs and adjectives. In your grammar book you have read about adverbs and adjectives. So you know that an adverb modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. Basically, you know the different types of adverbs are there, like adverbs of manner, place, time, adverbs of degree, sentence adverbs, adverbs of frequency. So, after going through the different patterns and different types of adverbs, we basically learned that adverbs modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. After learning this, you have to solve these MCQ pattern questions. And what is adjective? Adjective is a describing word that you learned from the very earlier classes. Adjective especially modifies or gives the qualities to some nouns or pronouns. Adjective is a describing word. There are different types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, quantity, number. So there are different types of adjectives. Basically, adjectives are sitting beside noun. Let us start chapter 7. Identify the adverbs in the following sentences from the given options. So let us go, question number 1. Let us go somewhere for a vacation this weekend. So according to your concept, what is the suitable adverb here in this? A option, B option, C or D? A1, here option is somewhere. It is a adverb of place, somewhere. You can see he speaks quite good English. He can be of great help to you. He help quite English. So he is the pronoun and English is the noun. Help is not here proper answer. So what do you think? According to me, it is C option, quite. Quite means completely. It is an adverb. I have never been to Maldives. I would like to go there. I have never been to Maldives. I would like to go there. So here you can see would, never, have and Maldives. Which is the adverb? Here option never. Never is the adverb of frequency, like always, never, seldom. These are the adverbs of frequency that is coming after some time or time to time or never. Replace the underlined adverbs in the following sentence with their synonyms. Synonym means close in meaning. So you have to choose and replace the underlined adverbs in the following sentences with the synonyms. Here it is question number B and question number B4. She sang melodiously. Melodiously means sweetly or confidently, merrily or terribly. You know better the answer. And which is the correct answer? Here the correct answer is sweetly. Here the correct answer is sweetly. She sang melodiously at the function, and melodiously means sweetly. Mohan generously gave us the money. Mohan generously gave us the money. Generously means greedily, tightly, profusely or poorly. So here generously means profusely, means huge number. Question number 6. The bride was enchantingly dressed. Enchantingly means attractively. So fascinatingly, sleepily, unceremoniously, and disturbfully. So here fascinatingly. These are the answers. Next, I am not wholly responsible for this. Wholly means surely, fully, or slowly, or merely. You know better answer. This is fully. Fully is the answer. Fully. Replace the underlined adverbs in the following sentence with their opposites. So, dear students, here you have to select the opposite. So, like here, roughly is given. So, what is the exact opposite of roughly? Roughly, here one word I am getting, that is gently. And how can I put up with? Put up with means tolerate or undergo. A person who always speaks foolishly. Foolishly opposite wisely. He rarely helps the poor. Rarely its opposite is casually, slowly, frequently, or coldly. So which option is correct for you? Option C, frequently. Seema laughed nervously. Nervously, here awkwardly, rudely, scornfully, or confidently. So opposite of nervous is confident. Therefore, my answer is D. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable adverbs. Most suitable adverbs of the bold or bracketed words. Now, Monica is very impatient. She is waiting for her friend. Impatient, patient, impatiently, none of these. So, here you are thinking that impatiently will be the answer, and your guess is 100% correct, like impatiently, because impatient is given here, so impatiently will be here. He treats his pets terrible is given, so terribly. She turned off means came for the picnic unexpectedly. Basically ly words are added. He has to be given the medicines dash hour, hourly, every hour, per hour, or none of this. Question number 15, hourly. Basically you can observe here ly words are added. Choose the most appropriate word to follow the given adjectives. Dimpled. So choose the most appropriate word to follow the given adjective. Dimpled means neck, skin, cheek, or nose. Where you get this option? Dimpled cheek. Cheek is sometimes cheek is dimpled means looking very nice while smiling, especially. Bulging eyes, nose, hair, or none of these. Bulging nose will be the correct answer. You are thinking nose. 17. Question number 17. Bulging eyes. And 16 number cheek. So bulging eyes. And here's you can see question number 18. Swati, eyes, hair, lips, and complexion. So 18 number, what will be the answer? Complexion. Here lanky is given. Question number 19. Lanky, what will be the answer for it? Lanky, eyes, hair, build and lips. 19 number, it is C option. Lanky build and pointed eyes, nose, lips, or hair. You know better the answer. 24. You already mentioned that pointed nose. Bald is also head. Bald head means without hair. Stocky, build or hair, leaves, or teeth. stocky build, and cherished, chiseled teeth, hair, mark or face. 23 number, chiseled face, frizzy eyes, hair, lips or teeth. Here frizzy hair, and grinning eyes, hair, nose or teeth. Grinning teeth. So in this portion we have completed all the options. Now let us move to achiever section. Here some questions are there, 26 to 30. Like choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. I cannot ask Simone to lend me money. I dash know her. I hard know her. I firstly know her. I hardly know her. I forever. So I cannot ask Simon to lend me money because I hardly means very rarely, or exactly the negative in meaning it is coming. So answer is hardly. Have you dash thought about becoming chef? Have you ever thought? Ever is given. Jatin can speak French dash well, even yet rather little. 28 number, and here answer is rather well. A or an decision was taken by members of the committee. Ominous, unanimous, anonymous, none of this, unanimous. And 30 number question, the former half of the film is more interesting than the dash half. Former opposite. Yes, your guess is correct. Latter. In this way, we have completed this chapter. Now let us proceed towards the next chapter, chapter 8. It is very easy chapter to do, and article prepositions that you know from the very beginning. Article a and the, and prepositions are there. Some are the single, some are the double prepositions. In, on, with, these are the single, and many other single prepositions are there. Double preposition like within, into, out of, these are the double prepositions. Some are the compounds are there, prepositional phrases are there. So basically, after making some concept, after reading the books, you have to solve this article and prepositions. Articles, especially generally we know that vowels are preferring an, and consonants are preferring a, and some common nouns and some common nouns which want to be the proper noun, they prefer the, and some proper nouns specially prefer the directly. Here question number A, fill in the blanks with the most suitable articles. Like question number 1, dash common sense is dash virtue. The common sense is a virtue. Option number A. Is it correct? I think not correct. So I think no article is required in the first blank. Common sense is only enough. Common sense is a virtue. So I think here no article is required. Here article is required. So B option. Question number 2. Dash water is dash elixir of life, but dash water of the pond is poisonous. No article is required here before water. Is the, here the and the is the elixir of life, but the water of this pond is poisonous. Question number 3. Dash Andamans The Andamans are situated in the Bay of Bengal, while dash Sicily is a beautiful island. Question number 3. Here option is coming like B number. The Andamans are situated in the Bay of Bengal, while before Sicily, before the name of some place, we don't prefer the. The contractor gave us dash estimates of dash cost of renovating our house. Question number 4. Question number 4, here option is coming like B. Gave us an estimate of the. In this way we have completed up to question number 4. In this way some portion you have to do by yourself only. Now once again I am starting from option B or question number B. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate prepositions. Here you have to fill the preposition. People climbed, question number 11. People climbed dash the tree to get a better view of the movie shoot. So here only one option is coming, that is up only. Climb up the tree. Will you accompany dash me to the grocery store? 12 number. No preposition is required. Will you accompany me? So here no preposition is required. After accepting the medal, Jaya came dash from the dais. Down, aside, over, no preposition. Came down, after accepting she came down. So down is the answer. Nistha is dressing up dash her farewell party. So off, for, at or with. Question number 14. What will be the answer? For her farewell party. So what is the reason for dressing up for her farewell party? Dash the children. Dash children. Parents also. So here you can see besides is coming. Besides means what is more or additional. Besides children, parents also attended the party, fun party. Open your book. Here one option is coming, that is at. Health is always preferable. Question number 17. Question number 17. 2. Health is preferable to, because prefer takes always to. Mario got dash the car and drove away. Got into the car means from outside to inside. Isha stayed in Kashmir dash Sunday, from Sunday to Tuesday. Harish is a difficult man to work with. In this way, this segment is also finished. Only achievement segment is left. Let us continue for it. In this way, we will complete the two chapters. In the achiever section, this section is not so much longer. Let us continue for it. Choose the correct option to complete each sentences. There was dash storm this afternoon. So I took shelter at dash bus stop near dash school. 21 number. Here option is coming. There was a storm this afternoon. So I took shelter at the bus stop near the school. So A, the and the. This is C option. Ramesh has climbed to dash top of dash Mount Everest. So 22 number, option B is coming, because before Mount Everest we cannot place, although Mount Everest is proper noun but it is a part of Himalaya only. So when part is referred of, it is not, it is proper noun but it is not assigned with the, so we cannot use the before Mount Everest. The students did not like the proposal, so they voted dash it. 23 number, so they voted against it. As they did not like, so they voted against it. 24 number, are you prepared to say the truth dash this face, on this, on his face, upon his face, to his face, or off his face? Here option is to his face. 25 and last question, my mother hurried to the grocery store dash she might get some things dash it closed. So according to me, so that she might get some things before it closed. This option is getting in option A. In this way I have solved you have solved the two chapters, and in my next video I will come with the next chapter, two more chapters to be discussed. Till then, goodbye to all of you.